What is going on, guys? Hope everyone's staying safe. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing slash haul of something different, nothing car related, not even tech related. We are going to be doing an unboxing of clothing based, specifically sneakers. 4 boxes from Adidas. Let's go ahead and just get it started. I had these for quite some time, and in order to do so I wanted to make sure everything is as described from the company. I know I should have taken some time to unbox it, but better late than never. Here it is, our first box from Adidas. You got your Boost 350 V2s, and these are the Yeezys that were restocked, believe it or not, back in December. So they were, hopefully these are the zebras that I'm expecting, right? And they are right here. It's been sitting in my room for quite some time. These are fresh, still white, no yellowing, and these are nice. Yeah, I'm going from 0 Yeezys to potentially 4 pairs today, because under quarantine, under lockdown, we are I'm just ordering left and right. But here it is. Now these are nice, right? What can I say? I guess these are my first pairs, even though I had I got pretty lucky with the previous ones, but I actually went ahead and sold those because they were pretty popular back then. Right now, they're doing a lot of surprise restocks, so I had a chance to pick these up in December. So these are my first pair. Let's put these aside. You got your second box right here. Actually, I have a clue of what I ordered. I just don't know which pairs they are after this particular box, because this is more older and dusty. The zebras. These are recent. These are from March, mid-March. Right now it's the second day of May. But let's take a look. Second boxing. Another pair of Yeezys. Now these are the 700s, right? So when these came on the app, I was really surprised. They gave me an option to get the zebras again, or purchase a pair of these Wave Runners. Check these out. First pair of Wave Runners. I think they're restocked for quite some time. I think at least 4 times. Don't quote me. Not an expert, but I do know what these are, right? So I got these, and when they were giving me a choice, what I mean the Adidas app, they gave me a choice between the zebras or the 700s. I think it was like 12 a.m. as a restock, and I couldn't sleep. So I saw these. I'm like, of course I'm gonna pick this the Wave Runners. So I got these. Here they are. It's gonna be another iconic shoe. Right now I'm just being more of a, I guess, your average hype piece. Third pair. Right here. And what do we see? So now that I have the 2 pairs unboxed, I pretty much know what I have left to unbox. And again, these are another pair of 350s. Side. These should be the yes, they are 350 Cinders. Okay, and just as a off the note topic, the all black Yeezys came out, or another surprise drop, maybe a week and a half ago or last week, and unfortunately I wasn't near the app or my phone. What happens with this situation is, I think they give you like a 30-minute or 40-minute time frame for you to purchase everything. Unfortunately, I wasn't near my phone. I was AFK, so I missed out. So I did manage to pick up the cinders. These are nice. I think these are, well, they're not all black. They're more like a brownish type with the yellow boost on the bottom, and also a brownish type of colorway here. So I think these are nice in terms of just keeping it kind of like a darker type of for your darker outfits every day. Most likely I'm gonna go ahead and check these out pretty soon. Alright, and last but not least, these I did not expect to get. I was chosen for the lottery for the app purchase, and I decided just to put I decided to sign up for it, and I got it. I'm not sure how I feel about these, but these are yep, I think they are. Unless I got another pair of boosts. Now, these are gonna be the mist color non-reflective 380s. Let's check them out because this is my first time taking a look at it. I wasn't really a huge fan of the shoe when I saw it, but I just decided to put my name in the drawing. Let's take a look. It smells clean, like the whole brand, like the brand new shoe smells coming out from the box. These are interesting. These are non-reflective. If you take a look at this right here, it has holes through the mid portion of the sneaker. Other than that, boost material, feels really lightweight. So we will take a closer look at these afterwards. So yeah, that completes my unboxing. I will go ahead and just do a closer look at these shoes and see how I feel about these. But I think my favorite pair right now has got to be these Wave Runners right here. Right, and then where are my zebras? Zebras are there. Let's pull them out. Here you go. Right, from 0 pairs to 4 pairs of Yeezys. Not trying to, show off or anything, just creating content, running out of car related stuff to do at this time, so just doing this impromptu video. Thank you guys for sticking by. Hope you enjoy this really short video of your Yeezy haul, but stay safe, take care.
我影緊嘢，
呢要食一陣，
仲嘅，仲係我唔夠時間咁精英，佢閪唔到，
呢隻咧？
唔知啊，30幾蚊。